take a look at this absolutely beautiful example of a 1936 Cadillac Series 60 sedan. This car just came into Unique on trade, and wow, is it stunning. As you can see, the car's has been restored to a beautiful kind of a subtle cream color. A lot of the chrome and stainless has either been replaced or repolished. And as you know, any of these cars from the 30s, all of the chrome and stainless is what makes them as beautiful as they are. And this car is completely stock. There might be a couple of little tweaks here and there, but nothing significant. It's still powered by its original 322 flathead V8 motor. This car is beautiful, and as you look down the lines and the reflections, you can see just how straight and stunning this car really is. This car came to us on trade out of the Pacific Northwest, and as you know, it's a very dry climate up there, and this car definitely shows that it was taken care of. This car did spend time early in its life in California and then was up in the Pacific Northwest for quite a while afterwards. And we were very happy to see this car come in on trade. Get a look at the interior. You can see still photos of this car on our website, by the way, at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll see photos of the inside, the outside, the underside. And again, you'll see by looking at those photos of the underside just how solid the car is. Very nice and fairly correct restoration on this car. All the jewelry on the dash is still there and looks good. There's the gauges, speedometer. This one does have the radio in it, and the speaker, of course, is up here. I don't believe the clock was working, which probably isn't much of a surprise to anyone on one this old. It's got the banjo steering wheel, still has the correct Cadillac horn button there. Very comfortable car to cruise in, and it's good for taking passengers along as well. This style with the suicide doors like this is very popular now. And as you can see, has all the comforts a Cadillac should, even back in 1936. Very clean car. There's no funny smells or odors or anything like that. It's as nice as it looks, put it that way. How about that? Let's open the other side here for you. Excuse me. There you go. See, all the window reveals are in nice shape as well. There you go. We'll pop over to the other side and fire it up for you. Dual side mount spare tires on this car. And if I didn't mention it before, it is all steel. There's no fiberglass fenders or anything like that. This is an all steel Cadillac dual side mount car. And we're going to hop in here and fire it up for you. Okay, let's see, we should fire up here. Start button is over here. There we go. See the oil pressure come right up, temperature, amperage. Obviously you can see it's cold, so temperature gauge will take a little bit for that to come up, but let's go take a look under the hood. As I mentioned, it's powered by its 322 V8 flathead, as you can see. Nice and clean and tidy under here as well. You can see the air cleaner. There's an aftermarket horn someone put on at some point. One more walk around. Now, there's a couple little chips in the paint here and there that have been touched up over the years, but nothing significant. I can point out a couple. A few on the headlight right there. But as you can see, this car is absolutely stunning. And it does indeed drive very, very well, considering you're driving a 80-year-old car around. It's actually pretty fun to drive, very comfortable. Car holds its own on the road. So take a peek at all the pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, financing is available if you need it. Trade-ins are welcome. And believe it or not, this car is eligible for an extended warranty as well if you need that extra coverage to protect your baby.